income regardless of his socio-economic condition, and thus for the principle of being unconditional and universal are here respected. The need to, in here it's something that is important to highlight, the need to institute this right in stages as determined by paragraph 1 is a consequence of budget limitation and organization, and as possible it could be to organize the public budget for the payment of income to all Brazilians at the outset. This may bring some practical and political problems. So even if there is a bad dimension and forwarding of the public resources to several policies and expenses far less important than granting BAT, it's justifiable that the state needs time to adjust its expenses so that may this purpose without a rush that may prejudice the planning already carried out to the state. So as a political and a organization point of view, it's understood that we have steps to implement this right. But to define steps and to determine the development of the process of universalization by income steps, income levels, it's not condition the right itself. It's only organizing budget. It's not condition the right itself to an income. The right is unconditional, and even if time is required to allow everyone to enjoy it, you do not change the fact that the right is unconditional, and I will try to talk about this a little bit more further on. So we have unfortunately left to a decree to state the value of the income, when the income will be paid, and everything that should have been said on the law, it's left to the decree to state it. And from 2005 until now, we don't have this decree. So the law does not have the legal formality or the legal procedure that the executive power should have taken into the light, into the executive, to the legislative procedure. So we have, unfortunately, a law that have 5 articles saying that we have the right, but giving the decree